Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been ages, guys. Today I have a lot of things to tell you guys. First of all, I'm going to tell you how I was suspended for so many times this year. While I was suspended, I managed to get into some AI training platforms, and I'm so excited to share them with you. I don't know where to start from. YouTube just came out for me full time. You guys knew that some time ago, I think around January. Okay, the first suspension was in January, yeah. Then that was 1 week. The second one was in March, if I'm not mistaken. We came out of that one 2 weeks. The first one was 1 week. The second one 2 weeks. The third one, which is this one I just came out of today, was 2 weeks. If you noticed, I haven't been uploading for the past 2 weeks. Okay, I've been on suspension, which if you're interested, I'll give you a full story of what happened, the reason why I was suspended. But to crown it all, you know, all the walkthrough videos I do, like showing you how to sign up on some platforms, yeah, they are the reason. They don't want us showing you how to, bypass things, how to sign up to platforms that are not available in your location. They don't want us doing that. Even the AI training platforms I show you, you have to figure out how to navigate the platforms, how to sign up yourself. They don't want me showing you how to do that. The last video I uploaded was the Toluca one, where I showed you how to get your account verified. That was the one that caused the suspension. So henceforth, I'm not going to be showing you the walkthrough. I'll just tell you the platform. You figure that out yourself, okay? Thank you for waiting for me. Yeah, thank you for holding forth. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I see a lot of you. We're trying to build a community, but I've seen that you guys don't care about me. Yeah, we are 11,000 of us here. By the way, we just hit 11,000 subscribers here, 11,000 amazing people. But I didn't see any of you check on me. Go to the community section, right? Where have you been? None of you did that, but that's fine. I'm back now, stronger, and I have good news for you. Okay, while I was on this suspension, I was able to sign up. Okay, I've been sharing a lot of AI training platforms. Let's just put a small break before we continue. Subscribe to this channel. If you see me for the first time, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my other channels, links to this one. Click on my photo right now as you're watching this video. You see other channels there. Subscribe to them because you benefit from them as well. Okay, the first one is immigration channel, the other one is a remote work channel. Guys, while I was on this suspension, I was accepted into Clickworker, OpenTrainAI, Mercor. These three and the other ones that I'm not going to talk about today. I was so excited. I'm like, I've been teaching people how to leverage these AI training opportunities, but I honestly do not sign up because I'm like, the money is not too much for me. Like, the pay is not up to what I want. You guys understand. But I said, no, I need to sign up. So I was able to sign up and I was accepted. Some of you have been asking me, how long does it take to get accepted into OpenTrainAI? Yes, it took me less than 10 minutes. After I signed up, I completed my profile, I added my CV, I added every detail, my work experience, my education, my work history, my skills. Once I finished adding those, it automatically activated my account. And then the next thing they asked was to link my payment method, which I did. I used my UK bank account to link my payment method. Yeah, you can check it out yourself if you're interested. I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to show you my screen because showing you my screen has been causing me a lot of havoc. So once I finish entering those details, the account was activated. And let me now tell you how it works. I think I'll show you my screen. When you come to OpenTrainAI, you click on search, you click on find jobs. You see available jobs, right? I'm not going to be mentioning their names. So you see jobs in software such as Label Box, Scale AI, Apen, CVAT, Label Studio, V7, Supervisely, Data Loop, Prodigy, Toluca, Internal Proprietary, any software. You see data type like image, video, text, audio, document, medical, geospatial, 3D sensor, code programming. You see labeling type like, bounding boxes, polygon, segmentation, classification, object detection, transcription, data collection, evaluation, fine-tuning, translation, prompt response, red teaming. You also see short-term project, ongoing project, large complex project, any job type. Check the budget. Okay, it ranges from, you can see, I don't want to mention any amount. This video is for educational purposes only. Do your own research before applying to any job out there. And for experience level, you have entry level, intermediate, expert, and any experience. All are here, right? So go through the job openings. Some of them is hiring worldwide. Some of them they are hiring worldwide. Those are the jobs you will see any location next to it. Global, any location. This one is a pathology supers evaluation. Global, any location. Language is flexible. Some of them you need to be like in the US, UK, Canada. Some of them are for Indians, Koreans, Japan, Chinese Mandarin, Spain, Germany, Italy, France. So if you're in these locations, if you're in the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, India, Portugal, France, Italy, any country in Europe or Asia, then you're good to go. But some of them allows you to apply from any location, like this one you're seeing here, English digital content data collection. It is global. So if you're looking for a platform, a company that hires you instantly, guys, this one is African English multilingual, cultural image, text annotator, native. Applicants must be native or near native speakers of one or more listed African languages with strong cultural familiarity, which is, this one is any global. You can see the amount they're paying. So if I view the job now, let me now tell you how it works. So once you view the job like this, they're looking for 54 labelers for this job. It is any location. Hiring type can be agency or individual. Then the task types include text generation, classification, data collection, translation, localization. So what do you do? If I click on submit approval, so you can see here in green, it says all job requirements met. Your OpenTrain AI profile meets all of the requirements for this job and you can submit a proposal. So if I want to submit a proposal now, just click on start live chat interview. So this is not like an interview where they will where someone will interview. It's a chat. So you're going to chat with AI. They will ask you things like, do you have experience in this? Do you know what translation means? Do you know what localization means? Do you know what annotation means? And you answer yes, yes, yes. That's it. So the next few minutes or a day, they'll review your proposal. If you meet what they are looking for, you also be able to put your pay per label rate. Okay, you put your pay per label rate. My pay per label rate is $2. So you can put yours. So if I want to go for this one, I'll just start a live chat to apply for this, which I will do later. Just let me finish showing you guys. So any location can apply for this one. Then let me show you the one I applied for. This is how it looks like. It will come here. So I'm shortlisted. All proposals pending, declined. So for this one I applied to, you see, I was shortlisted for it, but they're paying $1.40 per label for this one. Okay, and it's a data collection task type. The task type is data collection. The data type is text. As you can see, I'm shortlisted and I'm excited. Yeah, I have other ones that I was able to get into within these 2 weeks that I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so this is just it. When you come here, click on find jobs. But I know that your limitation is the Stripe thing. Okay, on that note, I started an agency, AI training agency, where I'll recruit a couple of people, like people with AI training skills, data annotation, data collection, translators, transcriptionists, prompt engineers, you know, yeah, all those AI training skills, annotators. I'm recruiting now. This one is image annotation quality control specialist. Yeah, I'm recruiting now. If you're interested in joining that AI team, let me know. I'll pick a few people where I'll explain further to you, because you cannot access some of the platforms from where you are, and you cannot also, you know, receive your salary due to location. So I'm starting this agency. I hope YouTube doesn't delete this video. Okay, I hope they don't delete this video. I'm not promoting scam. I'm not promoting fraud in any way. Okay, this is a legit work from home job you can do from anywhere. So let me know what you think in the comment, and I'll end this video here. For those of you who checked on me, thank you. Those that did not, I'm back, and we're going to continue what we do on this channel, sharing amazing opportunities to leverage online income. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to my other channels as well, because on this channel I'm going to be showing you more of freelance, affiliate marketing, digital marketing opportunities. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.